speaking to Danny Hyde's back of his head at the moment with a beanie on. Do you recognise him?
Hello.
I've just got to get hair for all in, mate, because we've got these Chinese companies that put our videos up and they say they can have a hair system that looks like this for $29 and they steal the videos. Right, so I thought I'd have a conversation with the back of Danny's neck. No, I didn't. Right, so Dan is here for a hair system fitting. We're going to fit him with a skin system with lace front. What's happened with Danny is with the lace system, he had a little bit of irritation, but we think it was probably caused by not removing the solvents. If you'd have seen Danny's first video, throat spray and amber, he's got a love of amber. Yeah. So, but we think that may have happened. So we're going to fit a skin system with a lace front and see how it goes. Right, Colin's taping up the skin with lace system with extender bond for Danny, because Danny is on all tape now. He likes wearing his hair forward, a little bit of a flick, but mainly forward, isn't it, Dan?
Yeah, just forward.
Do you want a cameo?
Oh.
There we go. And that goes all the way around. What clipper number you got?
It's doing number 4 on Dan.
We're talking, apparently tomorrow something's happening here, Dan.
Yeah, I'm not allowed to say though. So
No, you're not allowed to say, so don't say it then.
Something is happening, yeah, but
Something's happening tomorrow, but
Yeah.
Dan's not allowed to say.
I know.
But you will announce it on your YouTube channel,
I
won't you?
will, yeah. Once I'm allowed to say on Thursday after the filming of what I'm not allowed to say has been done.
Exactly.
But if this doesn't get broadcast
Until after, then I can say, yeah.
Well, then in that
Say
case,
now.
I promise this ain't going out until after Thursday.
Okay, I'm going on Judge Rinder.
Hooray!
Yeah, so basically in the argument, when my friend said that he didn't want to work with anymore, it got a bit personal. I said his band were rubbish, and then he called me Gluehead, and he called me that in front of all the builders and stuff, and they were like, what? And then he kind of let it spill that I've got fake hair. And yeah. Oh dear. So from then on in, I started wearing my little shower cap to work because everyone knew I had fake hair, so I didn't mind like protecting it.
Scalp protector being sprayed on. Yeah.
Turn it this way so I can check the hairline first.
Like I said, extend the bond all the way round for a tape attachment.
Just sitting a bit on your own there actually then. Give me something grip to. Give it.
Shall I try and do it tomorrow? A little Bo Peep. You can see with the extender bond, with a well-made hair system, is that safe to say, Colin?
Yeah.
And the skin colour's alright. As long as the skin colour matches, you can see that looks good even with tapes.
So what were you saying?
I was saying-
Phil told you about some.
So basically, yeah, Phil told me about another guy who had a hair system who makes videos.
Yeah.
So I checked him out. A geezer called Paul. He's funny. His video actually cracked me up.
Yeah.
So anyway, I'm watching First Dates,
Yeah.
and I was like, I know this geezer.
Yeah.
And then I was like, he's got a hair system on.
No,
and
yeah.
and Emily was like, nah, he ain't. It's real hair. And I was like, nah, I've seen him. He's that. And then all of a sudden he goes, on the date he goes, oh, I've got to get something out of the way. I've got to tell you something. And I was like, he's gonna turn. It was like, and when he did it, I was like, go on, my son. Like getting behind him, like to go on like TV on a date and then say you got.
Did the girl want to see him again?
Yeah, she loved him.
You can see it still looks very natural, and that's part of the lace still, isn't it?
Yeah, that's lace, yeah.
So it's, would you say a third of that's lace and 2/3 of skin of the system? Pretty much.
Yeah, pretty much, yeah. I mean, even the skin crown, if you look in on it, looks very natural. You can't, nothing to see. I mean, obviously with the lighter colour hair, it doesn't jump out as much as dark hair, but
yeah, it's good.
it looks really natural. You would never know.
What do you reckon, Human League?
Yeah, well, from what I can see through the hair, it's looking alright. Yeah.
When Colin does that, I think he's slashing you like
Yeah.
scissor hands. Edward scissor
doing
hands. Yeah. Oh look. Oh, he looks boyish.
I'll get some of this stuff.
And
Texturized, what's it called?
well, this one's just a water soluble pomade. It just
Well, this wash out fine.
yeah, 'cause it's
Yeah.
water soluble,
Yeah,
so it'll wash out without causing you.
yeah. So, because I better wash it out properly before.
Yeah.
So I never use any things like that. I don't know if I should.
Huh?
I never
You
use
should.
anything like wax or anything.
Yeah.
For Judge Grinder, you should.
Grinder.
A rinder. Let's see how long we can keep a straight face for.
Be straight.
Am I winning?
I can't keep a straight face around.
Right, give us a spin on the spinning round then. There we go.
Got it.
Ready? Nice. Keep going, go on.
How fast?
Come on, that's it.
Just slowly.
Slow motion.
Slow motion. There we go. That's a good job. Good luck tomorrow or Wednesday.
Thank you very much.
Is it Wednesday you're going?
Yeah.
Yeah. On Grudge
Filming.
Grudge Finder. Hey guys, thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe below, and have a good look round our website at hairforall.com.